Okay, next use case. We want to go for that ultimate power number, make that peak power on a dyno. All right, so where are we going to be in our map? We're going to be out at 100% throttle. We're going to be wide open this whole time. So out here in this 100% column, we will need to alter the fueling. But first, you need to figure out what your engine needs. On the dyno with a 0 map right here, verify what it's running. It might run 12.8, it might run 10.5 out there at wide open. So first thing is to figure out what the engine likes, and based on where your AFR sensor is, if you welded in a bung, you might get a much more accurate or different reading than say running a copper sniffer tube up that exhaust tailpipe. So just verify your data before you start making changes. It's always safest to go richest first. So out here in this 100% column, maybe we'll just add, if we start making power at 4,000 all the way down to redline, let's just add 5 points of fuel. Do another dyno run. If you gain power, you can keep going. However, if nothing changed or you maybe even lost power, you've taken it from 10.8 AFR down even further to 10.3, it's probably time to start leaning this out. In this same area, let's subtract 5 points of fuel and just see what happens. You don't want this out there reading 14.5, 14.7 and going into that ultra lean range when you're trying to make peak power. But again, it's all about figure out what your engine's running first based on your data, your AFR that you're gathering, and then start making changes. If power comes up, keep going. If it doesn't, go the other direction. Same is true for timing. We could start out with, well, maybe just 2 degrees of timing in this same region. See if power comes up. If it doesn't, go the other way. It may be over sparked. It may need a little less timing. So in this same area, we'll hit that 2, hit send, make another dyno pull. Always validate your changes using data and a dynamometer to make that peak number.